Thank you for watching Peer Pressure series. But the one thing you should know is poverty doesn't know the gentleman. That is why I don't play with the #1 betting company in the world. That is OneXBet. Just download the app on your phone and register with the promo code Vision2020 and get 200% bonus on your deposit. OneXBet, the legends.
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Previously on Peer Pressure.
Teachers are not helping us.
Yes, sir.
They are not helping us. When we go them and restrict them not to do certain things, then before we realize they go behind us and condemn us. So we are doing all that we are supposed to do, but they are not helping us. So it's better you also talk to them.
But you have to compare to me.
Then I'm telling you, sir. I'm telling you. I am not joining you people today, tomorrow, till the end of the world. I'm not joining you in that your negative game in making money.
Oh, really?
Get it straight into your head.
Yeah.
I leave you.
Really, Jimmy.
I leave you now.
I'll come up from here.
We are in this school purposely for our books. Yes, to become somebody very important in the future. And so if you want me to be your girlfriend or your wife, you need to study very hard, read your books. In fact, take your studies very seriously, complete well, enter into the university, get a job, see my parents, my mama and my papa. You pay my bride price, then I become your wife.
Really?
Yes.
Cake in the building. It's first to the Kyekyeku.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision Nation. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Brady, and one paid your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure, him caught on strong man best friend. School girl CP needs to buy open now for some day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More in break and Satania back you 240. Peer pressure, it be real so I can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Mojeku for the council, trying to 7 flags I know any other. Sugar mama phone you date or no didn't come out what sure say yeah my papa.
Be any fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And I say before, peer pressure before. Before, peer pressure before. Before, peer pressure before. Before, peer pressure before.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure. Pressure.
Yeah. Be any fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be a tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I before, peer pressure before.
I feel so fly when I try that thing that make them say alright. I feel so fly in my mind.
I didn't pan and now you're Mr. Bodin to a water.
Kyekyeku, talk to us. What is it?
Me, I don't know the person who wrote that test inside my book. If I catch that person red-handed, go suffer.
What test, Kyekyeku?
Mr. Body Cox Vivian. That test. I don't know.
You did your fire. What is funny here? Listen,
Why are you laughing?
Bridget.
Mona got to say testing room in the body. And remaining, I'd say the winning maybe so I said, oh, say,
Hey, boy. Charlie, whatever you happen to Charlie. Are you talk about and you laugh?
They talk your matter.
You, man. But once they are back, can't listen.
Awesome. Hey, why they do your face like that?
Ask Sammy. Fabone.
Also,
Make it tell you.
hey,
Fabono.
You ready to do what?
Implications, sir. Hey! Are you relaxed? Charlie, cool down. Say you don't hear anything. Cool down, make it give you all the story. You did what? Some I wouldn't tell me more copies. I tested the book.
You see, Kyekyeku, Frank, see, we like Kyekyeku. He's our best friend. He talks too much. He lied too. And we want him to stop. It's just a prank.
And that is the way you tell if someone who is talking to stop talking or who is lying to stop lying.
Kyekyeku is a prank.
You are pranking me.
Yes.
So you prank me in the textbook.
Don't get mad.
You prank me in the textbook.
Hello?
What's it?
Continue, you go.
Implications again, the mommy now. I say, remember when we were for the lifestyle I'm living on campus, Minjai. Minko school. I'm
university.
I'm in university. A whole lot. And I will go to
Hello, you did. Your Monday. Hey, when you come from say your friends are Christopher. Madam Chancellor.
It's a prank.
I'm okay. It's over between me and you. And one who ya pass we who make it.
Kyekyeku.
Don't call my name. Don't call my name. You go to the textbook and write. Look at my back. Look at my back. I will talk. If you see me pass way.
Kyekyeku.
If you see me pass way, go to the dormitory, find someone to call him. Then you apologize to him. Or the next time you see me passing, never talk to me again. Do you hear it?
It's a prank.
Oh, madam, take it away.
Are you mad at us?
Oh, don't talk to me again. I said the next time you see me, don't talk to me again.
Frank. Hey, it's your fault. You know how to buy. One of the really shame trim. And I'm so in some mature. So I write in any fancy. One right here, Frank, I want that true. Yeah, what was it? It was a couple. They say one.
See, make I tell you something. See, me, I watch Kunkumba their 5 years videos. I don't get love. I don't get love. That's never I will be packed. No, you say
no.
Now I don't fall in love.
The team be say you listening to have you listened to this guy track? Strong man. Also make you follow your heart, make you no follow your brain.
Tell her.
But this time around, we follow our brain, you don't follow our heart.
You guys they hear the this me. You say the same thing.
Man.
You are forgiven me. You forgive me.
Team Alonso. Emfa.
Like me must not make
Oh yeah. Boss.
With the swag, it makes me fly. I feel so fly when I try that thing that makes me say alright. I feel so fly in my mind. So would you help me sing that?
So easy. You know one thing. The Form 3 girls, them be fine rough.
That's right.
I'm looking at the Form 2s. Them all be fine. At this Form 1s, I swear, Charlie, them find pass all the seniors. Them find pass all the seniors.
Hey. Wants to say administration. I'm sure that I'm selecting those beautiful girls to this school.
Serious,
I don't know. Spirit, say it again. Now, yes, now the top class, some lady be.
Hey,
Form 1 girl, yeah.
right there, or so for ba.
The way she the beat her. Now see her Form 1 anybody, you started talking to them. I don't know only. Oh, you know, crab show my car bad or my brain. The way
Come here. Come stand here. Stand here. You this boy, you are a barbarian. Stand here.
What sooner to your honor? Tokuro, ibinim. The boy. We need to get beer. What's your name? Rich love. Oh, yeah, rich love. Fresh, like fair girl. Let's see how for once we buy.
You know, be that girl where you always wear spectacles.
Yeah.
Oh, that very smallish be. Oh, yeah, come on. And I hope to.
Hey, what's inside the one? Wow.
Actually.
Hey, what's your name?
Barbie.
Your body. You fine. School about the morning down. Right. Yeah, come on. In fact, about the name man, right?
I warn you for the first time. You paid no attention to me. This is the second time I'm warning you. Stop spreading rumors on my name. What does not catch the owner? What does not catch the owner? Now let me tell you something. My name is Mr. Buedi. I'm a Boissoir. Midi. Ote. Stupid boy. I'm warning you, doing me boy. So say moi there. Come here.
You got a nice kick too. Not bad.
Don't.
Why?
Look at the legs.
I asked you to near any. Okay, come on. You're rough.
It should be the first and last warning given to you. Huh? Now leave. Go! Foolish cat. Go in there.
Hey, when you suffer back.
Boy, forget that pastor thing. Right? You with school, you know the church.
So your father be pastor, but you don't be pastor.
Friends, what's he saying? With school, you know the church. Charlie, I'll go there. What's saying? No.
I carry a cover. You be a Bobby Manuel classroom entertainment.
Four. We will see that. Like she's doing photo shoot.
I want for the some basa. I'm pissing you some
one.
Papa.
They call me Darlington. What about? Yeah, pleasant words are sweet as honeycomb, sweet to the soul and health to the bones. Wisdom and strength. Yeah. So where do I start?
Abra. Amen. Mama, they are some. We are bombing my home and I will see him say. They are some. Mama, what has happened? No kind. Huh? Marcus said, "No, my boy, be kaya and sat. Now, Coco told my men, let me go to the field. This are no kind. Mommy, what do you mean, Cassandra? Now you'll be a gem in the Cassa. Oh, a damn about for us. Yesterday, if you have said. And she says, "A brave, you are bound, but maybe to some men and tell you are so. I caught him more money in toast. And my breath. And we are my breath. My main to some was so much on toast, no. And no more boy, and no more bonny, while good in toast now, pronoun than one. And one I'm little school fees. And one I'm the shell. And toast in an I am what do SS walk. And toast now I give it all pants. Or padding and toast in Esika. A beer of Sanra amount two bottom. And toast in Esika and the provisions to go to war. Now, no one you meet them when you have a fear over so many I'll go in Esika one. What bread? Now, one and got on in my bread. Ah, shall me body buy to Sammy, may not tell you where to come in toast in the morning. Ah, mammy, my bread, I mean body. Abena, oh, no, make call. Who drop a member so? Abena, hey.
Do you know you can really make much money whilst watching peer pressure series? First, pick up your phone, download the 1xBet app, register with the promo code VisionBwoy2020 and get 200% bonus on your first deposit. Bam! That's all. System ni yet my by now. It's mummy na yanko. Ni insan kuchedi. Bam!
Brabo ye fin said on one pepem. On kwane beti mi ama nisu asa kwani wam. Mi crew said that me ye ni team ni say ya fi SSM. No hu ka wo bone ne nyame ntie na so pem. Mo so mfo kwaku Darlington horiba. Me so minyu munie kakra metimi ayama nsempa na kwaso wenti mi sre. Dwama nwom na do so yemfa bi ntofu. Ye ma wiase hu so yi nyame a wo pie ni otoso. Susu ma wiase mfa
Oh, what is it?
Aku ara say you are Iyke kawa na Sammy. What is it again?
You browse the whole night. The data I send. The bundles. Still no more. Client back who huh? Almost I handle for a long time. Boy, my boss would me share my boss music and my share my. So the one that I heard about here, me piano. I book you, but we want to not have reject say and a picture win and then at the way I do man oh Charlie. Well, there will be no good. And that's the reason why I told you guys that you should seek for help from Michael. I see something in that guy. That guy can help us.
You high spirit, what has that Michael guy done to you? Every day, they mention his name, Michael. Charlie, that guy is a normal guy like us, so forget him. Let's say I was with be a Michael. That's all.
You think say that guy no be common guy like us, me, I see something in that guy. Yes. You look at something. When we were coming for the meet and break, you were coming with joy and happiness. Thinking, say, when we come, we are going to get moves or clients. We are chatting on nice in local school. But here we are. The bed for you know, did you check cafe browse? This sign, you're bed for nothing. You're born night too. About night. Still, nothing. Nothing. It's what can say. Yentina ho. Emma, what's in you do? And some of prescribe ye fees ana. Have you forgotten to see a UC Sika? You have to turn target the programs that would go different schools here. Parkers, you want to challenge others. No fear now. I did a best seminar crowd and say, my cousin money, that group boy, Alonso, those people will start mocking us. I don't have any personality.
I suppose you see a few fish and one. Yeah, don't my points in one as an engine fish.
On my pressure.
What High Spirit is saying is right, okay? We have to seek help from Michael. Who knows? Maybe he can be of help.
Yeah.
Don't forget that we owe the school. We've spent all our school fees on salaries, on other unnecessary things, all because we want to be big boys in school. So let's try to talk to Michael.
Guys, are you sure that Michael guy can help? Charlie, I don't trust that guy.
You can, because you know, for the look of things, how he does his things in school, it's like he has an eye. He has an eye.
But the kind of name maybe me reading the power. I read people. The guy is having something.
It's one number or the action and pop one dressed in Basabasa.
Okay, have a second thought of it.
Let me think about it. Yeah.
Charlie, take your time on a machine, on one machine. I can't see a
boy, if you think smart too, one down, if you do something,
let me think about it.
I will be up to our dinner. We'll be up to go in here. But Charlie, I'm
so back.
Because dances to go Eliyasu man go on in.
Mommy, Mommy, Biaboko.
She mean your busasa. Thanks, no mean busa gift.
Mommy, are they?
And yet the soul do the fear. Men, your more same here. A blind children. Was yet more deep here, one woman. My first says you swap us a baby to make a similar. At a tell of why you hear and who be so close for Australian answer. No fear, Elkuna ye, Miss Abana. Aye, and not mean to us, you know. Answer, come, boy. Into more dinner cocoa to us, not Tom Mammy. Let me some above Benedia. Sassam cannot make kind, and Mamma was in any. The Abra, if you have no. I said, Minimans and I may meet it in a moment, Miss Abradachi, that Papa will see ye.
Mammy, Abana. Oh, I have Abana. Abana! And I doesn't receive you, I see. I don't be said BBS. Miss Anna, me quite my dear, some a dear young man, I had your mammy. Ah, I know about my old baby. Because I said, oh, in one. Oh, my mere bread. What told to us about who to me? What is good when anyone or turn the help? What if you're not a son? What's was out to your aunt to me, Coco Jana Manacoton? Why won't I papa has so to me? Now because I'm a father, and no barony, my boy. That's what I'm saying.
Yes, I'm calling him. Yeah, hello, Princess.
Hello.
Princess, how are you doing?
Not bad. How about you?
We are fine.
Princess,
Yeah?
yeah, want to come to your house so that you can choose your dress. You know the birthday party is just at the corner. And we don't know your house is Form 1. Oh, not bad. Yeah. But how can you choose a dress for American girl? No, daddy's gonna get me dresses from America. Yeah, and I don't normally wear African dress. You know that? I don't like it. Yeah. Wow, that's nice, but we still need to see your house. No, dear, no need. Listen, I have to go and assist Manny at the market. Yeah, at the shop, exactly. So, girls, don't worry. I would personally invite you girls some one day, okay? Don't worry.
Alright, okay. Sure. See you this weekend.
Okay, girls. Bye. Hey, àsìkò Apollo. Uju wọn díẹ̀. Bẹ̀rẹ̀ dẹ̀bọ̀ fún báyìí máa kìkì. Sister Bra. Yeah, me call school, me go see you. Yeah.
What is wrong with this princess girl? I don't
From
know.
Form 1, nobody, not even your
So hard. sorry. Not even your friends knows your house. See,
This
me,
is strange.
what is important to me is she's coming for the party.
Of
I'm
course.
concerned with.
We're gonna rock this party like, hey, blah, 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 blah. Hey, come on, let's go now. I'm going. I'm leaving. That's the reason I came. Let's go.
Ah, what is that? Stay for a while.
I am leaving. Oh, it's well. Wait.
Another one, no, yeah. Jay, hey.
Yeah, you can afford to make. Listen, just check out my network.
Good girl.
Yeah, I get a bad, you know that.
Enjoy
it.
Guys. Come and look at this dress in the bag. They're so beautiful. Wow. I love the purple color. Wow, it's very beautiful.
This is so nice. I'll go for the blue one because blue is my favorite color.
Wow.
Princess, why are you not choosing any dress?
What am I choosing the dress for? Please.
Princess, for Christ's sake, it's my boyfriend's birthday party. And we are choosing best outfit for the party. So you can't sit unconcerned and say you are not going, so you are not choosing any dress. Come on.
Hey, I don't buy stuff from here. Why not bring them from America? You know that? And besides, I don't feel like going to the party.
Princess, how do you mean you're not going for my boyfriend's birthday party?
I just don't feel like going. Please. You get it?
Come on, girl. We are friends and we have to support each other. It's Sheila's boyfriend's party, so we have to go. We can't afford to miss this.
It's okay. I'll definitely think about this. And you already know my mom doesn't allow me to go out at night. You know that?
Baby girl, you better think about it because we are all going to this birthday party.
I'll do that.
You
God.
let me step pictures.
Hey,
Let me see.
no, look at this. This will fit me, man. Look, just look at me.
You this guy. You. Everybody want. You want to? Why? Tell us why.
Look at you.
I choose the blue. Say go choose the girl for Saturday, huh?
Whatever fits me.
Let's go.
Oh, please, come on. Don't be
Thank
dumb.
you.
Make it up.
Next on peer pressure.
Really? What happened to you? Are you into pieces now? Shut up! Oh, let me think. You are shouting.
That old man broke my virginity, and for Christ's sake, I came from a Christian home.
Oh, come on for that.
Oh, started massaging me small.
Hey, wait, relax. What is wrong with you? I'm gonna do that myself.
Wow. You said you were a virgin. I still love the virgin guy. How might you are too? Oh.
It's so disgusting.
You know my name?
Hey, Papa, what is wrong with you?
Me and Papa?
Exactly, you like my dad.
What are you talking about?
Why are you behaving like a kid?
Do you know how I'm feeling?
How are you feeling?
Listen, I was keeping this thing for my fucking husband.
You are keeping it for your grandfather. Your grandfather. Hey, God will punish you. God will punish you. Give me the money he gave you. God will punish you. I just come when you back and say God will punish you. God will punish you. When you think I didn't hear you from my room, when you're doing wow, like ambulance, you think I didn't hear.
Cake in the building. It's first to the Kyekyeku.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision. Say, Mobian Dada, morning, Bradian, and one pay your crab one pair. Mobian pressure, Pim Cock was from my best friend. Schoolgirl CP needs to buy open now for same day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P near boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. Morning break, and Saturday about you 240. Peer pressure, if you real one can't see me near found yeah, and I'm in my wood. It became Mojeku for the council, trying to 7 flags, I know the other. Sugar mama phone, you date or no didn't come out, what you say, yeah, my papa.
Obiani fia free to ye be tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Obiani fia free to ye be tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I before peer pressure before. Before peer pressure before. Before peer pressure before. Before peer pressure before.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure.
Obiani fia free to ye be tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Obiani fia free to ye be tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I peer pressure.